Hey guys, how's it going? How to train Perplexity AI for industry-specific research. So you can go ahead to the official website and use specific keywords. Frame your queries with the industry-related terms. Example: trends, right? And renewable energy technologies. Okay, 2024, for example. Or you could use another suggested keyword AI applications in healthcare, right? Follow up or just ask for answer, and you can refine with the follow-up questions, right? You can ask follow-up questions, and that way you're actually training your Perplexity AI to match your taste of researching, right? After getting a general answer, ask for more focused follow-up questions for deeper insights, like how does, for example, how does AI, sorry for that, AI improve diagnostic in healthcare? Okay, follow-up question. You're gonna see the results with the resources, with the sources, of course, and you're gonna be able to go so you can get more in-depth information, and then review the cited sources that are relevant to the industry. Let's have an example of this source, and I'll be redirected to the article. And as these provide more in-depth and specific data, by asking precise questions and focusing on industry-specific terminology, you can guide Perplexity AI to generate more tailored research insights. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.